Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about the killer red fruit, otherwise known as the tomato. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites if you need more information, including a link to Amazon.com that has all the best-selling books, all 10 of them, in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series of books. The tomato has been around forever. The most used fruit in international gastronomy, essential for Italian and Mexican cuisines, started domestication and exportation here in Mexico, which still rules the international market. The tomato started 2,600 years ago in the Andes in present-day Peru and Ecuador, but was considered a weed. Brought up into Mexico, where the tomato was cultivated on small islands and domesticated with intent around 500 BC. The green tomato, which is still used in many Mexican sauces, was used in pre-Hispanic cuisine. Also, the tomato was used by the indigenous to relieve sore throats, headaches, digestive problems, ear pain, and the mumps. Inquisition era Mexico featured the Spaniards taking the tomato throughout the rest of the world. Thanks to the warmth of the Mediterranean soil, tomato cultivation prospered, and within 2 decades, the tomato started appearing in Italian cookbooks, first paired with eggplant. Unlike chili peppers, the tomato had a sweet taste and was not as hot, which is why this fruit was quickly adopted by the Europeans and Africans alike. Well, once Europeans decided, despite being part of the belladonna family, the tomato wasn't poisonous. During the 17th century, some variant of the Nahu word tomato, meaning fruit with a navel, rapidly became the fruit's name worldwide. By the time of Mexican independence, haciendas had irrigated production systems that, combined with the railroads, integrated the different farming regions, increasing both the tomato's production and export. Today, large-scale irrigation systems with the use of chemicals and fertilizers control the tomato's ripening time and shelf life, making Mexico the leading exporter, with over half the tomatoes in the U.S. grocery stores coming from Mexico. Properties of the tomato today include vitamins A, B1, B2, and C, minerals such as calcium, potassium, and sodium, fighting liver disease, obesity, and various forms of cancer, excellent hangover relief, detoxifying the skin and organs, and a natural source for folic acid recommended during pregnancy. So, the next time you're enjoying salsa and chips or sprinkling on a green sauce, or rewatching the cult classic Attack of the Killer Tomatoes, recall the tomato's long and complex Mexican history. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below and get automatic notifications of new videos as they premiere here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.